My decorating style in one word is always eclectic. Bring in the germs. This whole shoe thing, it's so annoying. It just is. I'm sorry, it is. A couch. When in doubt, pink. Oh, totally TV. My kids and I watch old school cartoons in bed, and it's the greatest thing in the world. Firm. I want like Tempur-Pedic, can push in it firm. Between maximalist and hoarder, I'm somewhere in between. I make maximalists look like minimalists. I used to be a bathtub and now I'm a shower because once you have kids, you don't have time for a bath. Cool. A gallery wall. I'm gonna have to go with dark wood. The light wood, it's hard to decorate around it sometimes. A dream home on a lake. One day.